To enable and use gestures typing in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate all the way down and enter System and Updates. Now look for the options called Language and Input and select Emoji Keyboard next. From here, enter Settings and select the input, scroll all the way down to Advanced, and then finally we'll be able to find the Enable Gestures Typing. Now I recommend to enable all of those three options for accessibility, and then we can go back and open our keyboard. Now on this phone, for this specific keyboard, the typing is kind of weird. So what you need to do is decide which word you want to write. In this case, we're gonna go for dog, and then you need to tap and instantly, very quickly, start moving between different letters to form that word. So we're gonna go for a dog, and it should look like this. And as you can see, I just wrote the word. You need to be very fast, otherwise, as you can see, it doesn't work. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.